how to turn off Facebook Messenger read receipt. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you turn off Facebook Messenger read receipt on your mobile phone. So let's get started on this process. Firstly, you'll have to make sure that you have updated the latest version of Messenger on your device. So after you confirm that, you'll have to open that app and log in with your account. Okay, so after opening the messenger, you will got such interface. So from here, you will have to tap on the three line just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on the menu. Okay, so from here, you will have to tap on the settings. And now from here, you will have to scroll down and go with the options privacy and safety. So it will under the preference section. So simply tap on it. And now from here in the privacy and safety section, you'll have to scroll down and go with the sections like what people see. So on that section, you will be able to see the option read receipt. So simply from here, you'll have to tap on that. Okay, so now on the read receipt section, you'll got options like to enable or disable the option. So simply you can turn off from here, and now from here you will be able to turn off the read receipt option on your Facebook Messenger, and now from there people won't be able to see when you have read their message, or you won't be able to see when they have read yours. So this is the easiest and simplest method to perform that. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.